Alden Richard update, yan sa post ni Jeffrey Tam sa Instagram. Sabi niya kay Alden, malapit na tayo uli magkita pare ko. Alden Richard, miss na kita. Libre mo ko noodles sa Hong Kong ha. Hello love again. Malapit na makita ang cast ng Hello love again. Siyempre Joji din, yung kulitan nila. Ayan, ganyan kagwapo si Alden. No? During yung endorsement shoot sa Bangkok, Thailand for All Secure, yung campaign shoot, yun no. All Secure yan si Alden.
So it's an honor to be part of this campaign, and I'm very excited on what's ahead for the partnership that we have right now. Thank you so much for the support, all my supporters. I hope I get the chance, to be with you guys. Thank you so much for making me part of the family. And I hope you stay tuned and follow their social media pages for more announcements and giveaways. So I'll see you guys in the future events, and thank you so much.
Yun no, for Casino Plus. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para update po on future reaction vlog. Bye guys, thank you for what